LinkedIn learners, Connor Doobie here, and get this question quite a bit because you probably see us do it to you, is video messages. How do you send a video message on LinkedIn? It's probably one of the most powerful ways you can follow up with your connections. So got Julius here, this man right here, just how do I flip this camera around? Julius is here just killing it. And so I'm gonna walk you through. By the way, look how good looking this dude is. Like, he started hanging out with me a little bit, he started looking good, styling. Technically the way you do this is a little complicated, but once you get the flow down, it's awesome. It kills it.
It really does. I mean, the responses that you're getting from it are, I would say, one of a kind, because it's a one of a kind message. They know it's not spammy. It's really personalized. It's humanizing the whole transaction, and that's where you got to get to. Nobody's doing the cookie cutter salesman, copies for closers, routine anymore. Things have changed. It's 2019, so this is just a new. So
walk us, technically, how do you do this? What do you do on your computer? What do you do on your phone? Because a lot of people don't even understand how to do this. We've even gotten the question. People ask us, is this like a tool? What tool do you use to send video? It's all in the platform. It's all natively in LinkedIn.
Yeah, the big thing is that it's in the LinkedIn app.
First, show what we do, because you kind of have to do this. If you want to do this in a good customized way, you kind of have to do this on your computer simultaneously through your cell phone. So, Julius is right now going through and doing some follow-up videos for prospects. And so what he's actually doing here is he pulls. Well, go to how you actually do it. Go to the new network tab. Literally step by step how we do this.
Oh, okay. So yeah, let's go step by step. Let's get into it. So the big thing is, obviously you want to see who you're connecting with. So if you go into your My Network, you can click on your Connections tab. That's going to pull up all of your recent connections. So from there, you want to obviously see who you want to connect with. That's where your mobile app's now going to kick into play.
These are guys you're already connected with.
Yeah, these are my new connections. They just either connected today or
see, and
recently.
You can even see here that this is even time stamped. Hour ago, 56 minutes ago, so on and so forth. So we generally send a follow-up message within, first 24 hours.
Yeah, definitely.
At max.
Yeah, that's what we're trying to accomplish there.
Yeah.
So from once you get that list, you do the same process from the LinkedIn app.
Yeah.
I'll just start it from the top. You go to your network tab there at the bottom. It's going to bring this screen up. You click on your connections, same screen. From there, you want to click on the message. That's going to bring up this icon. And now the magic is the plus symbol here.
Yeah.
Once you click on that.
Right there. Now again, remind them, why do we pull it up here and why do we pull it up on the phone at the same time?
That's the big thing. Good shot, Connor. It's because this option is only available from the mobile app. You don't have this option from a desktop or from the laptop side of things. So if you go to click on messaging here, you're not going to get that plus symbol and those icons to do the video messaging or the audio messaging.
Right.
It's a feature built into the mobile.
Right. Now what Julius also is going to do is he's going to pull up this dude on his desktop as well into another tab. So as he sends him a video message, then he's also going to be able to refer to stuff on his LinkedIn profile.
Exactly, and that's really huge.
Just control, click that. So yeah, we got this dude pulled up on a separate page.
So now you know what you're talking about. You can jump into your mobile app. Now I can pull up Andrew. I can click that plus symbol. I can click video. Obviously, you want to flip your camera around so it's facing you.
I wasn't zoomed in there.
Oh, okay. We can do it. It's real fast. So now you're on Andrew. You click on the messaging. You go to plus, you want to do video option, and then let's flip the camera, and let's get to work. I'll even do the message. Let me make sure I'm prepared. I didn't even know who I'm talking to.
So you see he's got this pulled up, got it pulled up on his computer.
Oh, wow. He's out in D.C. too, okay. He's doing okay. Hey Andrew, thanks for connecting. Hello from Denver. I see that you're doing some great things out in DC, but wanted to give a quick pro tip. Now that me and you are connected, if you have Sales Navigator, feel free to access all of my connections. If there's anybody I can introduce you to, let me know. But just happy to build this relationship. Have a good day.
And then
And
you go
boom.
in.
Now you got your message. You can even play it back to make sure. Hey Andrew, thanks for connecting. Hello from Denver. I see that you're doing some great things out in DC, but wanted to give a
And then you
quick.
hit
Sounds
send
good.
right there
And
when
we
you're
hit
ready.
the blue button.
Black.
And depending on your connection,
It
no, it
sends
does.
eventually.
It does take a little bit. So that's
Listen,
a
guys,
tip as well.
listen. Here's what you need to do from this point. Tag your marketing people, tag your salespeople, tag your CEO. Say, why are we not doing this? We are selling a 7-figure product and service that is relationship driven. So you need to find a way to bring the relationship to the digital component. Reach out to us if you need help with this. Have a great day, guys. See ya.